So step 1 was join InternetChi. Step 2, get trained and experience. Step 3, get certified. Step 4, pricing. Step 5, legal help. Step 6, basic marketing. Let me tell you a little bit about the basic marketing thing. Every home inspector should do these basic marketing things just to get started. And later, you can do some more advanced marketing strategies, which we'll talk about in the webinar, like a live chat feature on your website, so that when someone visits your website, InternetChi provides free inspection job leads. We direct people to your website. You can have a live chat feature, so you can talk to people who visit your website. That's pretty cool. But right now, you just better have the following marketing tasks completed. You want to get a domain, because you're going to get a website, because every business has to be online. I mean, I don't go to a restaurant until I visit the restaurant's website. So you have to get a domain. What's a domain? Well, it's like this: www.yourcompanyname.com, right? And your email would be you@yourcompany.com. So here's some examples of the domains and emails. InternetChi.org is a domain. You can visit it, click it. BigBenInspections.com is a domain. FastSiteForYou.com is a domain. And an email that's based upon the company name or brand would be, an example would be Ben@InternetChi.org, Ben@BigBenInspections.com, Alicia@FastSiteForYou.com. That's a set of emails with a domain. So domain is that yourcompanyname.com, and your email can go with that. You look really professional with that. So you got to get a domain. That's a basic marketing task that you should complete today if you haven't. And it's so easy. So you go to domains.google. That's it, domains.google. Let's see if I can take you there. So I'm going to close all these windows here. Hope you all can see these windows, yeah? Okay, domains.google. You type in that, domains.google. Can you see that? Let's see, domains.google. See? Click. Find your place online. So what's your company name? Anybody who has a company name but not a domain, does anybody want to type that in? Anybody want to type that into the chat? Who has a company name but not a domain? Let's see if it actually exists. Anybody want to try? How about, I'm just going to give one up. Oh, higher standard inspection. Okay, higher standards inspection. It's available. Higherstandardsinspection.com is available for a grand total of $12 a year. Talk about a low cost to secure a domain. Who was that? Jason. I would do it now before someone else gets it, right? You go to domains.google and secure your domain, higherstandardsinspection.com, or maybe it's higherstandardinspections.com or something like that. It's available. That's a really good one. I like that. I like that a lot. And then go to your marketing team, InternetChi's marketing team, and let them play around with that domain. Then you get a logo. InternetChi's member marketing team will design all of your inspection business cards, flyers, and brochures for free. All you have to do is place a print order for fully customized marketing, including a unique logo for your business. So get a domain, get your company name set up, get a domain, secure a domain, talk to your local business attorney if you want to about incorporating that, right? You have to incorporate with the state, at least, your domain, right? I'm sorry, your company name. And you can't have the same company name as like your competitor, right? So the state will figure that one out for you. And then use the InternetChi's marketing team. I recommend ordering a box of business cards. I think it's about $100. You can do Vistaprint, but Vistaprint doesn't work with home inspectors exclusively. InternetChi's marketing team does all day long. They just work with home inspectors. So get a box of business cards, order, and your business logo will be designed because you ordered a box of business cards, and your card will be designed as well. And the paper of the card will be designed as well. Even the feel and the thickness and the shape, all of that's customized, and all that design work is free. Don't ask your spouse, your cousin to do it. Ask InternetChi's marketing team, this huge, big marketing team, to work on your business logo, business brand, your business colors, your business cards, your flyers, your brochures. And then you take that logo that they design. Maybe you already have a logo. They'll redesign it to make it look better. because that's what they do. So you take that logo and you put it on your website. That's the next step. First step, right? We're talking about basic marketing. Step 6 is basic marketing. Get a domain, then get a logo, then you get a website. Okay? Domain, logo, marketing team, website. Put that logo on the website. You don't have a website? Go to nachi.org/website and get a website. How many people, I don't know, about a third probably of all InterNACHI members don't have a website. Crazy. You got to get a website. It doesn't cost much. FastSite for You is InterNACHI's official vendor for home inspector website designs. And they cost $279, no other fee. That's all you pay for the design. Then you pay for the Weebly. I think they use Weebly. You pay Weebly $12 a month for hosting the website. So you design the website, or you got to put it somewhere, right? So you put it on we call it platform. You put it on like this platform that hosts your website on the internet. And then the domain that you registered points to that website. That's how it works. This is the best company. I helped start it. I'm a consultant for them. My wife runs it. And there's 7 people on the website design team. 7 people. Imagine hiring 7 people to help with your website design. I want you to compare any other company that does website designs and see if the price is right. See if the services are right. For example, make sure you own the domain. Don't let some website design company buy your domain. Make sure you own the domain. Make sure you own the website. Make sure you can go into your website and edit anything at any time. Don't let another website design company say things like, well, it's in WordPress. You got to learn WordPress or CSS. Nope. You run away from that website. Make sure you have access to the analytics so that when InterNACHI provides free inspection job leads, you can see them landing on your page, on your homepage, and see if they're landing on your Schedule Now page. Because that's called conversion. You want everybody who lands on your homepage to go to your Schedule Now page and schedule an inspection with you. So if it's worth doing, it's worth measuring. So you have to own the website analytics, and you have to have access to the analytics at any time you want. If you send out a marketing email and there's a link in the email to your website, you can watch people land on your website because of the email, and you can measure the success of your marketing email campaign. Maybe it's great, maybe it isn't. Who knows? Don't let anybody not give you those things. You should own and control everything. Basic marketing, get a domain, yeah, get a logo, you know where, get a website, you know where, nachi.org/website, nachi.org/website. Then update your profile. Why? So that when people are Google searching for you, and the website company, FastSite for You, they do SEO optimization. It's included. Don't worry about that. You don't have to do anything. When people are Google searching for you, they're looking for what? That CPI designation, right? Certified professionals, inspectors who are professional and certified. And InterNACHI is going to capture that lead and send that lead to your website. If you don't have one, you got to get one. And once you get one, you update your profile. You go to nachi.org and you go to your profile and settings. Because if your website address isn't in your profile, we can't send you a free inspection job lead. So you go to your profile and settings, update your profile, got your phone numbers so people can call you, got your name correct, got your legal name in there, got your business address, update your search engine listing right here. You got to tie it in. You got to get your emails and secondary email. You got to get your company name in there, right? Your company, what's your company name? Higher Standards Inspections. And then you put your www.higherstandardsinspections.com address right here so that people can land on your website. So we can send people to your website, right? Update your profile. Basic marketing tasks. Then you get free inspection job leads. I mean, when you get certified and you update your profile and you add a listing, you become live on the internet. I mean, you may get a job immediately if you have a really good website designed that you own, and you can edit at any time and look at the analytics, right? You know where to go. InterNACHI operates thousands of lead generated websites all over the world, all over the internet. And we started tracking these So when somebody lands on someone's website, they get dinged, right? So let's see if we can actually do that. So how do I do it? I go inspectorseek.com. And I'll go, do we have a zip code? Anybody get? No. Okay. So let's go Chicago or something. Chicago, Illinois. Look for inspectors in Chicago, Illinois. Let's click the first one. I have no idea what's going to happen. Afsar Khan and Khan Engineering Inspections, no website. So I'm not going to hire. I mean, if a member of the restaurant, personally, I'm not going to go, I'm not going to hire. I'm not going to go to a restaurant if they don't have a website. I want to see what's going to, how about Kenneth Stafford in Chicago? There, Kenneth has one. Buffalo Grove, what was it called? Buffalo Grove, his website, buffalogrove.winnie.com. Yeah, that's not Google domains, right? I don't know what that is. So, okay. Oh, there he is. There's Ken. Okay. So Ken should put this in his profile, and he does, because we just searched for him. We found his link. So if we go back to leads and refresh the page, let's see if it's there. Buffalo Grove, there it is. So this proves that on the 19th of April at 1:04 p.m. Eastern, someone used this search field, InterNetGee's search engine, to find buffalogrove.winnie.com. So it works. Free inspection job leads. I mean, right now, your phone could ring, and your website should be scheduling jobs for you. FastSite for You, they do online scheduling. They embed an online scheduler for you. They even have a Call Me Now button. You click the Call Me Now button, your phone rings. Who is it? It's the person visiting your website. It's really good. Step 6, basic marketing, right? So at this point right now, that was 1 hour. Whew. At this point, you can start making money as a home inspector. Okay, stop the webinar and go away and just start doing those first 6 steps, right? Or if you wanted to stay and learn about some advanced marketing, stay for the rest of the webinar. But at this point, I took you from joining InterNetGee to getting a job scheduled. You can start making money right now. Step 1, join InterNetGee. Step 2, get trained, get experienced. Step 3, get certified. Step 4, pricing. Step 4 is pricing. Step 5 is legal. Step 6, basic marketing. Now, the next steps are about advanced marketing, branding, and growing your business, okay? And that's step 7, advanced marketing. And you never stop marketing your business. Now that you've taken the necessary steps, the necessary next steps to create a good foundation for building a successful home inspection business, let's talk about taking that to the next level.